Welcome to the world of hostas. Hostas are a gardener's dream, offering a lush, green oasis in any garden setting. These shade-loving perennials are known for their lush foliage and easy care, making them a favorite among gardeners. They bring a touch of elegance to any garden. Hostas are incredibly versatile and can be used in various garden designs. Whether you have a small courtyard or a sprawling landscape, there's a hosta variety perfect for you. Their adaptability is truly remarkable. Hostas are relatively low-maintenance plants requiring minimal care to thrive. They tolerate a wide range of conditions, from deep shade to partial sun, making them suitable for many garden spots. This makes them an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced gardeners alike, as they are easy to grow and maintain. With their captivating beauty and resilience, hostas are sure to bring you years of gardening joy. Their foliage is a sight to behold. Hostas are primarily grown for their foliage, which can be quite striking. They offer a stunning array of colors and textures. From vibrant greens to cool blues, the variety is endless, and even variegated varieties. There's a hosta to suit every taste. Each variety brings its own unique charm. Let's delve into the wonderful world of hostas and discover how you can add these remarkable plants to your garden. Their presence will transform your space. Get ready to be amazed by their beauty and ease of care. Hostas are truly a gardener's delight. Hostas come in a dazzling array of sizes, shapes and colors, making them a versatile choice for any garden. Some are petite, reaching only a few inches tall, perfect for small spaces or as ground cover. Others can grow to be giants, forming impressive mounds of foliage several feet across, creating a dramatic focal point. No matter your garden space, whether it's a tiny urban plot or a sprawling country estate, there's a hosta to fit right in. When it comes to color, hostas offer an incredible spectrum that can brighten any garden. You'll find vibrant greens from chartreuse to emerald, each adding a unique touch. There are also stunning blues, from powder blue to deep steel, providing a cool contrast. Many hostas feature variegated foliage with combinations of green, white, yellow, and even cream, adding visual interest. The texture of hosta leaves is equally diverse, offering a range of tactile experiences. Some have smooth, glossy leaves that reflect light beautifully, while others boast deeply textured, corrugated foliage that adds depth and dimension. There are even hostas with ruffled or twisted leaves, adding an extra touch of whimsy and charm to the garden. With so many varieties to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect hostas to complement your garden design and personal style, making your garden truly unique. One of the most appealing aspects of hostas is their low-maintenance nature. They thrive in shady areas, making them ideal for gardens that don't receive full sun. Hostas are also relatively drought-tolerant once established. This means you won't have to water them constantly. Hostas are adaptable plants that can tolerate a range of soil conditions. However, they prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Adding compost to your planting area can help improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Once established, hostas are relatively pest-free. However, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for slugs and snails, which are attracted to their lush foliage. We'll discuss pest control in more detail later on. With their minimal care requirements and stunning beauty, hostas are a rewarding addition to any garden. Section 4. Planting your hostas, a step-by-step guide. Planting hostas is a straightforward process that can be easily accomplished by gardeners of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, you'll find that hostas are quite forgiving and adaptable. The best time to plant hostas is in the spring or early fall, when the weather is cool and moist. These seasons provide the ideal conditions for the plants to establish their roots before the more extreme temperatures of summer or winter. To begin, choose a location that receives partial to full shade. Hostas thrive in areas where they are shielded from the intense afternoon sun, which can scorch their leaves. Hostas prefer protection from the harsh afternoon sun. They do best in environments where they receive morning sunlight and are shaded during the hottest part of the day. Next, dig a hole that is twice as wide as the hosta's root ball and just as deep. This allows the roots to spread out comfortably and establish a strong foundation. Gently remove the hosta from its container and loosen any circling roots. This step is crucial as it encourages the roots to grow outward into the surrounding soil. Place the hosta in the hole, making sure the crown of the plant is level with the surrounding soil. Proper positioning ensures that the plant will grow evenly and healthily. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. This helps to eliminate air pockets and provide stability for the plant. Water your newly planted hosta thoroughly, ensuring the entire root ball is moistened. Consistent watering is key to helping the plant settle into its new home. Adding a layer of mulch around the base of the plant will help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulching also helps to regulate soil temperature, keeping the roots cool in summer and warm in winter. Section 5. Keeping your hostas happy, watering, mulching and feeding. Once your hostas are established, they are relatively low maintenance. However, providing them with adequate water, mulch and fertilizer will ensure they thrive and produce lush foliage. Hostas prefer consistently moist soil but can tolerate some dryness. Water your hostas deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overhead watering, as this can promote fungal diseases. Applying a layer of mulch around your hostas offers numerous benefits. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulches, such as shredded bark or compost, also improve soil fertility as they decompose. Fertilizing your hostas once or twice a year will provide them with the nutrients they need for healthy growth. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer formulated for shade-loving plants. Apply the fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Section 6. Protecting your hostas, dealing with pests. While hostas are relatively pest-free, they can occasionally be targeted by slugs and snails, which are attracted to their tender leaves. These pests can quickly damage hosta foliage, leaving behind unsightly holes and chewed edges. One effective way to deter slugs and snails is to create a barrier around your hostas. Diatomaceous earth, crushed eggshells, or copper tape can be sprinkled around the base of the plants. These materials create a rough surface that is uncomfortable for slugs and snails to crawl over. Another option is to use slug and snail baits. However, be cautious when using baits, as they can be toxic to pets and wildlife. Look for baits that contain iron phosphate, which is a safer alternative to metaldehyde. Regularly inspecting your hostas for signs of pests and taking prompt action will help keep these unwanted visitors at bay. Section 7. Beyond the leaves, the beauty of hosta flowers. While hostas are primarily grown for their stunning foliage, they also produce delicate flowers in the summer. Hosta flowers rise above the foliage on tall, slender stems, adding vertical interest to the garden. The flowers are typically lavender or white and have a subtle, sweet fragrance. Although hosta flowers are not as showy as some other perennials, they still add a touch of elegance and charm to the garden. The flowers attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, bringing life and movement to your outdoor space. If you prefer to focus on the foliage, you can remove the flower stalks as they emerge. This will redirect the plant's energy towards producing larger and more vigorous leaves. However, if you enjoy the subtle beauty of hosta flowers, feel free to leave them be and enjoy the show.